G fucking M. Time for another BTC analysis. This is November the 27th. So yesterday we talked about potential dips or for buying opportunity. If you look here, if you have a look here, yesterday we talked about how when price comes down, everybody starts freaking out, and then price is gonna have a reaction to the highs or to here, somewhere here. Doesn't really matter to the high, or it can just have a reaction to roughly around here and then pull back, whatever. But the main thesis is that everybody panic sold here, got liquidated, all that stuff. This was not bearish at all. It's just that Monday was way too aggressive. Tuesday we had a sell candle as well. Everybody who sold, they missed this huge fucking rally. What's this? 5%? Yeah, 5% rally. This basically, this one candle, if it closed here roughly, equates to these two, Monday and Tuesday, November 25th and 26th. So roughly. Also, another thing to notice is on November 25, November 20. So these windows are historically bearish. So that's another thing I thought I would notice. So anyways, continuing on, yesterday I said the dips were for buying, so I bought some dips here. Not in here, but just altcoins. So we have a strong rally. We can either, if we're very strong, break tap 100k and then come back and consolidate, or we can go and then come back, and then max people are gonna be aping in the at the highs, and then we flush them out once more, and then we go higher later on. I think it's still too early to go high. Looking at the ETFs, we have inflows, two inflows day. Monday was good, and then Tuesday and Wednesday, I believe. No. This is 2 days in a row red, 2 days in a row red. Looking at a lower time frame on Bitcoin, so we have options expiry on the 29th, so that's around 2 days from now. So I believe we do not break 100k because that's the biggest one. So there are two scenarios. If we, by Friday, if we're above 100k, we can go to 110, 120. Like, the momentum is gonna keep us so high. And the other potential will be that we go to 100k, and then by options expiry we're below 100k. So my expectation would be that we're below 100k somewhere by options expiry. So by Friday we do not break 100k until Friday. We do not attempt to break 100k until Friday. Tomorrow's Thursday, so it could be like we go higher, and tomorrow's like chop, and then something like that. But you have till Friday to load up the dip. So buy the dip, get your fiat fucking shit fiat in, and buy this fucking dip. I told you to buy this dip, now we're higher. Looking at total 3, another good thing is Bitcoin's leading, right? Then total 2, which includes Ethereum and which includes Ethereum and Solana and all those fucking shits. And then total 3, which is pure meme coins. That's the last thing. So total 3 is after. So which is a healthy. So Bitcoin first, and then total 2, and then Ethereum's fucking leading, which is a bullshit sign. Anyways, I wanted to look at Apu. Apu has very strong because Ethereum's bullish. Another thing is AllWIF is. Okay, first let's go through order. So we talked about Bitcoin. Daily impulse back, touched the bands, came back. Look at the 4-hour. Let me put the bands on. Held the 100. So 4-hour held the 100. Should have went long here. According to the testing, held the 100. You go long here at 100, and then you can trade all the way to new highs or previous highs. If it's bearish, so it touched the 50, had no bounce. It touched the 50, had no bounce. Touched the 100, so had a bounce. So likely this does not make new highs. So likely this tops out here as the bounce. There was no significant support at 94k. So this likely goes all the way here, and then chops around, and then go for another push or whatever. But likely this does not make a new high because 50 EMA did not produce a new high. So if this was bullish, it would have been highs, come 50 new highs, come 100 new highs. But 50 didn't produce a new high. So 100, although bullish, it's very unlikely that it produces new highs, and I think it goes to the candle closes of the previous high and then just comes back. So that's another thing. Look at the 1 hour. So lower time frame we're bullish, we can go higher. 1 hour turned red, turned green, sorry, and but still in a bearish trend. So 50 below the 100, below the 200, so this needs to flip. So overall lower time frame continuation, but higher time frame we're still more medium time frame we're still choppy, high time frame we're bullish. And I want to look at WIF. Actually, I want to look at the meme coins. So WIF has lost the band. So WIF came back to the bands, held, closed inside, impulsed back higher, and tried to consolidate above the bands. And it seems like it's turning the bands red soon. So this is a really bearish sign. So instead of bands going like in a parabola upwards, instead of going like this, they're going downwards. So which I would not be hesitant to say that WIF can visit 2.80. So I would be next time I would be looking to buy WIF is at the 50 EMA, and I need to load up, or unless it reclaims today, which it doesn't look like it's going to. It's kind of bearish if you ask me. So unless it can reclaim and then go higher, and then the bands stay green, it's gonna take some few weeks, because once the bands turn red, right, it's gonna go to the 50 and then consolidate and then go higher. That could be like January, which aligns with it. So you buy the dip. So buy the 50 for WIF, buy the 50. That's the actionable. Buy the 50 on WIF. And Pepe is way stronger than WIF, as you can see, even by the percentage. Pepe came back to the bands, tested 12, 21, and then impulsed back up. So Pepe is good. Pepe is bullish, unless it closes here. So I have Pepe, I have WIF, I have both. Long-term backs, that doesn't matter. So Pepe is way stronger than WIF. And these, both of them, this is when Coinbase and Robinhood listed Pepe. And if we go here, that's where the Robinhood and Coinbase listed with, roughly here. That was the top for both of them. So fuck, so the listing mostly comes with the top. Anyways, ETH BTC. I want to look at ETH Sol actually. Where do I go? Where's the plus? Where's the plus here? ETH Sol Radium. Is it like this? No, fuck it. But ETH is relatively stronger than Sol, as Michael says. So 7%. ETH is outperforming everything at the moment, other than Apu. So ETH is bullish, held the bands, fucking held the bands, made a bullish. That's 7% off the daily open. 10%. So had a 10% move. That's why Apu is rallying so hard. That's why Pep is outperforming with, because Solana is fucking shit. So Solana is fucking shit right now, and ETH is outperforming. So the memes, the ETH memes are gonna outperform. So, but when it's Solana's turn, look at the weekly. Solana, when Solana makes a new all-time high and goes, and then that's when WIF is going to go, because WIF is Solana beta. You just want to buy WIF, keep buying. So I'm going to be buying Pepe, going to be buying WIF, and I'm going to wait. Another thing, IBIT. These are the ETFs. IBIT. They're looking at the daily. They're touching the bands, so that's good. Touched the band yesterday. Had inflows today, so that's another good thing. Sentiment and psychology. You want to look at people chasing in at the highs. People, they don't want to buy here. They don't want to buy the dip here. It looks bad and everything. Like 91K. Oh, are we going to go lower? Blah blah blah. And then when it goes higher, they're gonna chase in and probably get some profit and then get chopped up. So this is not a good place to buy Bitcoin. Wait for a pullback, wait for the highs, wait for something. Chill guy is pumping. Chill guy is pumping. Big memes like the zoomers, or the boomers I should say, like old people. These are the old people. Fuck me. These are the old people, these are the young people. Young people buy memes, make money, right? Old people are like, fuck memes, they're in Bitcoin. For crypto, they're in Bitcoin. And then they say, oh, this guy made 200%. They're like, fuck, what's this about? And then they go into memes, they're going to capitulate sooner or later. And you see Chill Guy, which is, Chill Guy is a good example, because what the fuck is a chill guy? Chill Guy is basically meme, very popular with the TikTok Gen Z people. And look at this, in fucking 11 days, so not even 2 weeks, and it's a 600 million market cap. That's what it is. And all the other Apu's doing good. Look, Wolf is doing good because ETH is doing fucking good. Daddy, fucking dad, fuck you, Tate. You piece of shit. Look at this. This is just dead. Anyways, Jim Cramer was both posting TikTok, and who the fuck is Jim Cramer? He was both posting TikTok that this is a hedge against inflation. He's a stockbroker, and he's also a American stockbroker, television personality, and the author. He writes books. Jim Cramer books. What books did he write? The fucking piece of shit. Jim Cramer, Stay Mad for Love, Guide to Lifetime Investing. So he's a person who's investing in stuff. And get read the book on cautious investing and other investing. Confession said Cramer is more detailed explain the hedge fund manager. So he was a hedge fund manager. He's big in the investing stock space, and he's bull posting crypto, which is good. And then we're yeah, Warren Buffett and stuff like that. So Jim Cramer is bull posting TikTok. Normie News is open interest up, price down if you short pull, piling, short squeeze. So on this, I wanted to, my Velo data is not working, so I'll just say here, you take this off, take this off. So from the highs during this move, people open interest went up. So during this move, open interest, fuck you, open interest went up. Why? The price went down, open interest went up. This is shorts and longs. So people could have longs bought the dip, this dip over here, and shorts, they shorted this. So it's roughly around here. Shorts got in here, whatever, and longs they got in here, roughly. The thing, it can't go down that much. And then this whole move here, the open interest went lower. That means the longs who bought the dip got stopped out somewhere here, and the shorts they took some profit, and more longs, as you can see by this wick, more longs enter here. Okay, this is the dip, and greedy shorts piled in here. The shorts get stopped out, longs are in profit, and then whoever didn't take profit all the way here, this drops another open interest, and then boom, lower. And then in this case, the shorts that haven't closed, so all the longs get wrecked in this way up, buying buy this dip, and then buy this dip. As you can see, this dip wasn't bought, this was just shorts and everything closing. And then all the shorts that didn't close get stopped out, get stopped out, get stopped out. So overall, the summary is Bitcoin is bullish, but it probably won't break 100k so soon, unless we're above 100k by Friday. So Bitcoin is just going to ping pong. And for alts, they're relatively weaker than Bitcoin, but still green. So you want to buy the dips on alts. And ETH is outperforming right now. ETH is outperforming right now. Solana, that's a bearish sign normally, typically. But overall, Bitcoin dominance is kinda had a market structure break on a daily. So had a market structure break, which is typically not a good sign. But weekly, it's still pretty good. Weekly is still pretty good. Should not close below. Is it closing below the bands? No, it's not. So weekly bands, daily bands. Daily bands are red for the Bitcoin dominance. That's the first time it turned red since July. So this could be interesting to see. This is the first time the bands turned red since July. Oh, so that's interesting to see. Will Bitcoin have a deeper sell-off? Will it regret? Had a market structure break. So had a market structure, one break, two breaks, and so Bitcoin's fucking shit. And GM does analysis for Bitcoin November 27th.